Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to use Cloud Code with Opus in Cloud Code. Opus is Cloud's most powerful module for coding, planning, debugging, and large-scale software projects. If you're working on complex tasks, switching on Opus can help Cloud reason more deeply and handle larger code bases more effectively. So the first thing that you need to do to change it is either to go ahead and launch Cloud Code directly with Opus, which is literally by going to Cloud Code itself and do this right here, Cloud Model Opus, which is literally by typing, but there is a better way or a better method. For me personally, I'd like it to be very simple. So what to do? Here is the chat, and as you can see here, you will find the module name that you are using at the moment. As for now, I'm using Sonnet 4.6. To switch it to the Opus one, I'm literally gonna click and then choose the Opus 4.8. Thus, by choosing it, they will take you to a page where you have to pay the premium version, as it should be the Pro version. This one will give you the Pro, and basically you can choose either Pro or Max. You could literally just choose the best one for you, choose either monthly or yearly plan, and then once you did that or you picked it, then you can go ahead and literally use the Opus module on your Cloud Code. So it's very simple, nothing like very hard about it. You're simply gonna go to your chat and click on here the model and then choose Opus 4.8. You can upgrade the model simply by having it get more efforts. This will higher efforts means that you will give more uses of your limits, so be careful about that. But yeah, you can get better results simply by having higher efforts. And yeah, that was basically it for today's video. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.